Want to know how to hide your profile in Lovable? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. So, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application or just simply towards your web browser and type in lovable.dev. Now, just simply select your profile on the top right side right here, and here you should be seeing settings. So you can just simply select settings right here. And now once you're under the settings window here, you should be seeing your profile that should be right beside account or below account. So again, just simply select it. And now once you've selected your profile, just simply scroll all the way down until you see hide profile picture. So that should be right below link. So you can just simply check this box right here. And once that is done, you can just simply select update, and then your profile picture should be hidden from public. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.